Hello, my name is Gantare and today I'm going to show you how to make a business website with WordPress. It is no longer viable to run a business without a web presence. Having a website helps grow an online presence by connecting you with a broader audience. A website can also become a platform for sharing your opinions and skills and creating opportunities. This video will help you turn your website idea into fully functional website. Pick a suitable platform, get a web hosting plan, and choose a memorable domain name. Before you start to build a website, you need to take care of two tasks first. Get a web hosting plan and choose a domain name. Before choosing a hosting plan, decide what type of web host is suitable for your needs. Think about the type of website you are creating and consider these elements. Cost. Some web hosts charge more than others. Make sure to adjust the price to your overall budget. Features. Consider the bandwidth and storage to see if the hosting provider can support your website files and the targeted amount of visitors. Security. Check the built-in security measures such as automated backups and an SSL certificate. Support. Different hosting companies offer their own set of support, either through a live chat or email. If you are looking for a beginner-friendly hosting service to create a small to medium website, I recommend using Shared Web Hosting. Hostinger offers a premium shared hosting plan with unlimited bandwidth and databases along with a free domain name registration. This brings us to the next task you need to take care of before starting to create your website. Get a domain name. A custom domain name is not only essential to help visitors find a website, but it is also a part of branding. A memorable domain name can also drive high organic traffic. To find the right domain name for your website, consider the following elements. Recognition. Choose a domain name that is short and clear to avoid visitors misspelling it. Using familiar words or the name of your business will help visitors to remember your domain name easier. Availability. Use a domain checker to check whether the desired domain name is available. If not, try changing the extension or looking for an alternative domain name. Cost. When choosing a domain that fits your budget, don't forget that different top-level domains have different prices. A domain can cost from $1 to $13 a year, but it comes completely free if you buy a hosting plan from Hostinger. Once you have set up hosting and domain, it is time to make your own business website. I will share a step-by-step guide on how to make a business website on WordPress. Install WordPress. There are three main ways to install WordPress. Auto installer. Some web hosting services, such as our WordPress hosting, have an auto installer feature for the software on its control panel. Manually. Create your own database for a manual installation. Locally. Install WordPress on your computer to test out changes before going online by using MAMP for Mac OS or WAMP server for Windows. Let's say you have Hostinger as your hosting provider. Installing WordPress using hPanel is really easy. When you open your hosting account menu, scroll down to Website and click Auto Installer. Then select WordPress and after filling the necessary fields, click Install. Choose a WordPress theme. Having a visually appealing design is essential and can also improve the user experience on a website. There are over 8,000 free and premium WordPress themes in the official WordPress themes repository. To install a theme, head to your WordPress admin panel and follow these steps. Head to Dashboard, Appearance, Themes, and select a theme for your site. To view the full theme gallery, click on the Add New button. Browse through the theme gallery and click on Details and Preview or the Preview button to see how it looks on a website. Since we're creating a business website, let's choose a theme that's suitable for this case, Astra. To use this selected theme, click on Install, Activate. Before you start editing the website, install the page builder plugin called Elementor, which will help you immensely. Go over to Plugins, Add New, and type in Elementor in the search bar. Install and activate it. Another plugin that goes hand in hand with Elementor is Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Install and activate this one, and we're ready to go. Customize your website. Time for customizing. First of all, let's create a new page. Hover to Pages, Add New. This is going to be our landing page, so let's type in landing page. Then on the right-sided menu, click Template and change the default template to Elementor full width. Then publish your page. As you can see right now, the page looks empty and boring. But don't worry, we'll change that in a minute. Firstly, click the Customize button up here. Then click Home Page Settings and let's set our home page to a static page. And then underneath the home page, we're going to choose our landing page that we created recently. Now go ahead and click Publish. Press Edit Page up here and then Edit with Elementor. So Elementor is a drag and drop software that is pretty easy to use. By clicking on the gray folder, you can upload a website template that will help you create your business website quickly and efficiently. Let's choose the Architecture Projects page. To upload this template, you'll need to register to Elementor. If you don't have an account yet, just create one quickly because it takes no time to do that. Once you have your template uploaded, let's edit the sections. First of all, hover your mouse over the heading text and click this pen icon. Using the color picker, change the color to blue or choose the custom colors that are already here. This menu also allows you to change the font, size, weight, and other text-related parameters. Now below these two photo sections, let's add a divider. Click on the plus icon on the third section. That allows you to add a new section above the one you clicked on. Now click the plus sign again and choose the first structure. Once you click the plus the third time, a menu opens up on the left. Drag and drop the title element onto the section. Switch the alignment to the center and increase the size to XXL in the Content submenu. Then change the color and font the same way you did with the main title. Something's not looking right. I think the text should have more white space around it. Add two more sections, one above the divider and one below. Now drag and drop spacer elements to all of them. You can adjust the size of the spacer with this slide. Great, it looks way better. Now do the same with the main title on the top. The next step is changing the overall background color. Move to the main settings, which can be found on the bottom left corner. Then choose Style and pick the color for the background. Changing and adding photos with Elementor is even easier. If you want to change the photo, click on the upright pencil icon, then choose Image and upload any photo you like to this gallery. You may even upload multiple photos at once. Pick the one you'd like to add and insert media. On the image menu, you can also type in your custom caption and even link this picture to another website or page. To make our page complete, we need to add two more sections, About Us and Contact. To do that, add a new blank section and tap the gray folder icon. It opens up a library and here you can pick a block template according to your needs. Since we need an About Us section now, in Category, pick About. Let's go ahead and choose one. As soon as you add this new block, edit the font and color. Then insert information about your company. Amazing! Moving on to the Contact section, let's repeat the process. Add a blank section and then a block template, but this time, choose the Contact category. Pick one with a map. It will help your clients find your address easier, and in addition to that, it looks better visually. Edit the text and its settings accordingly. Alright, we're almost done here. Let's move on to the finishing touches. Press the hamburger button on the left side and click Exit to Dashboard. Then choose Preview, and when your site opens, click Customize. Let's customize our header and add a company logo. To do that, choose Header Builder. Delete the primary menu section. You won't be needing that because this is a one-page website. Then click Site Title and Logo button. Upload a logo from your library. Adjust the size using the logo width slide. Now uncheck the Display Site Title button and go back one click. Click Transparent Header option and turn on Enable on Complete Website button. And look at that! Now you have a great looking and functional website. That's how you create a simple business website using WordPress and Elementor. Now, after customizing your website visually, you should take care of its SEO. If you'd like to know how to do that, check out our other videos about it. And if you want to dig even deeper into this topic, we do have a whole webinar about SEO and its best practices. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't hesitate to subscribe to Hostinger Academy channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.